welcome to our room tour video. Here is the Mercure Hotel in Hurghada. Come in, come in. At first we will show you the bathroom. Come inside. Here is a nice big shower. It's perfect. Of course, toilet. And here a bowl for washing hands, you know. Yes, everything nice. Then we're coming here. There you can put some clothes, like we did. Here, only my clothes are left, okay. And then, yes, here, mini bar, it's empty, no problem. Then we have a water cooker. And here, TV, really nice, even with German TV. Look here, Samsung.
It's Samsung.
Samsung, only Samsung. And here we have a really nice double bedroom, really big. Look here. Now here, disco, shisha, corner, everything. We have all details. Then, here's our living room. Little couch, mirror, chair. So we can sit here. And then we even have another room. Look at this. Here we have 2 more beds for our children. They are not here, but if we would have children, they can sleep here. And they even have a TV too. No problem for the children. And here, more storage room, but we don't need it. So, yeah, a window. Then, here, now comes the nice part. Here is our nice balcony. Here you can see a little bit desert, because we are in Egypt. Egypt is desert. But there's the beach, the sea. Very nice. And look here. Here you can see the mountains of the desert. And it's even a little bit sunset in the moment. So we enjoyed our time here very much. We like this hotel, and see you in my next vlog, everyone. Bye bye.